Hello students, so let's try to solve one very a conceptual question from IIT JAM examination, and this problem is from central force problem, and it's a very conceptual, very simple one, and this is MSQ, multiple select type question, and this is question number 35 and it came into IIT JAM 2024. So what is this question? So there is a particle of mass m which has energy E and angular momentum L, is in parabolic trajectory around a planet of mass m. If the distance of the closest approach is Rm, then which of the following is correct? So you have to tell about the what will be the energy and what will be the angular momentum of this particular particle, and it is moving in a parabolic orbit. So we can assume this is my planet and this is something like a parabolic orbit, we can say. This is your parabolic orbit and this will be your Rm. This will be minimum distance. All distance are more than this one. So this is your Rm. So how we will approach it? So we know that when your planet is interact with some mass, we have to go for the Kepler's problem and for the Kepler potential, and we know the equation of orbit for the Kepler potential is basically L upon R is equal to 1 plus E cos theta. And we all know for the Kepler problem, so if I am talking about Kepler potential, that means VR is equal to minus K by R, and VR is basically minus K is equal to G, capital mass, mass of planet, and the mass of particle. This is by R. So this is your VR. So we have also the relationship between eccentricity and energy. So relationship between eccentricity and energy is, this is 1 plus 2E L square upon M K square. And what will happen for the basically the parabolic orbit? For the parabolic orbit, E is equal to 1. This is for parabolic orbit. So for eccentricity is equal to 1, so E is equal to 1, that means this energy must be equal to 0. So the first option will be E is equal to 0, so B will be the first choice. So yes, this is your energy, and that is 0 energy have this particular particle, and then this has parabolic in nature. Now let us try to go for a calculation of basically angular momentum. So what we will do, we will just write the expression of energy. The expression of energy is equal to half m r dot square. This is nothing but the translation kinetic energy plus rotational kinetic energy. So that is half, so L square by 2 m r square minus G m m upon r. So this is total energy of a system, and it is, and total energy of a system in one particular orbit is constant. So what I can put? I can put this energy will be 0, which is for the parabolic orbit, and this value is equal to half m r dot square plus L square upon 2m r square minus G m m upon r. Now what is the property of minimum distance, the closest approach? At the closest approach, R is equal to Rm. The translation kinetic energy R dot is equal to 0. So translation kinetic energy or radial velocity R dot is equal to 0. So when R dot is equal to 0, then we have expression 0 is equal to L square upon 2m Rm square minus G capital M M upon Rm. So from here, this equation we can easily get the value of L, and the value of L is easily we can find root under 2 G M M square into Rm. So this is the value, the option number C is the correct one. So we can easily find this is your angular momentum. So students, this is a straightforward question. Once you know what is the property at the closest approach, what is the trajectory, and what will be the condition for different orbit, you can easily solve this type of problem. Thank you.